How do? How do? How do? Hey, hey. How do? Hey, right, I'm here for my gas check. I don't know if he's going to let me film him. I set off at silly o'clock, about 4 o'clock. Anyway, he's not coming now, well, 5:15. So I'm just setting up the telly. Setting up telly. Yeah, so hopefully gas will be sorted today, and then I'm going to try it tonight. I'm going to put a pizza in the oven. Hey, right, so yeah, that's it. Like I say, whether he'll let me film it, I don't know, but I might do it secretly. Like a spy. Yeah, just set it up somewhere and just have it there like that. Should be able to see it, shouldn't you? Yeah, but I've got my heater on. Probably you can hear that. So I apologise about the background noise. Right, I'm going to go and have a piss now. I can't have a pee in my toilet because there's no water in it or anything. So I'm going to have a pee outside. And I'm not taking you with me. I'm trying out this little aerial that came with the telly, but I'm not sure how to get it onto channels. I can't work it out because we always use interweb. Look at that, 3 bars. Where are we? There. Right. Well, he wouldn't let me film. It passed anyway. He put a pressure thing on, and I asked him how much, and he said just give us 15 quid. He said, do you want a gas cert? I said, what difference does it make? He says, well, 40 quid. Yeah, so yeah, anyway, so I ended up giving him 20 quid. Don't need a gas cert, do I? Anyway, yeah, he put pressure thing on and no drop whatsoever. So, happy days. I'm going to play with my oven tonight. What was that? Oh, my bloody smelly thing. Yeah, like that. Smelly. Right, so that's it. Oven's done. The oven is done. Everything's done. So tomorrow I'm going to screw the top down, make a door for that at the bottom,